everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I've got another Sparkle Supplies haul for you. There is currently quite a big sale on the store. I think there's like 11 pages worth of items, from glitters to gems, foils. There is a bit of all sorts on there. Really affordable prices, really gorgeous items. So I couldn't help myself. I had to place a little order and get a few new bits, and that's what I'm here to show you today. So I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet. I'm going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you the products. I hope you all enjoy. If you do, please remember to like, subscribe and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's crack on and get into the video. So I'm just going to go through everything one by one as I sort of added it to my basket. First of all, we have this glitter here called Jammy. It's really cute and it's definitely the perfect sort of jammy colour. It is simply a fine glitter, sort of metallic, no hollow or anything. It's just a fine glitter, but I feel like everybody just needs a good range of metallic fine glitters in their collection. I really love the shade of this one. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and this was like, I think, a 5 gram bag for 99p, so super affordable, and yeah, just a well needed one in my collection. Next up, I've been wanting these for the longest time. We have got some multi bunnies. So these are kind of like the Playboy bunny heads, but here I've got them in multiple different colours. I was not meant to pour that many out. Just sort of trying to show you guys a couple of them, but as per usual I am making a mess. But yeah, literally they are just like the Playboy bunny heads in loads of different colours, all iridescent, shiny and pretty. You literally get so many in the tub as well. But yeah, let's try and get these ones back in the tub. I love these though. I've never done like a Playboy bunny themed set, but I think I'm going to, because I've got some stamping plates and I've now got the bunnies. So I'm definitely going to be doing like a Playboy sort of set soon. I remember like in my teens I was quite obsessed. Like Playboy was like the thing, like all the girls had like jewellery and perfumes and all sorts that's sort of Playboy related. But yeah, get this gigantic tub for £1.50. And yeah, I've seen these all over the place, but I've never actually got around to buying them, so I'm over the moon I've finally got them. Then, because the multicoloured ones weren't enough, I have also got them in gold. I've never actually seen these on the Sparkle Supplies website until I saw them on sale. Otherwise I would have got them sooner. See, I'm still making a mess. But these ones are just the same, they're about the same size, but they are gold holographic ones. Aren't they so nice? And again, I've got so many of them, like I'll definitely probably be sharing these out between the girls if they want some, because there's so many in there. You literally get so many. And again, the £1.50 a tub, can't go wrong. Like right now the sale was epic. Like if you want to get your hands on some good bargains, I would definitely be quick before it's all sold. But yeah, there's some absolute bargains on there to be had. But yeah, they're the gold bunnies. And then of course I had to have the silver ones too. I know I really don't need this amount of bunnies, but I couldn't help myself. Let's see if I can pull a couple out without spilling them everywhere. Yeah, see, that's what, oh, still much spill one. Yeah, there we go. We've got silver holographic bunnies as well. They're awesome. I'm really chuffed with these. I've never actually seen the gold and silver ones before. I've seen the multicoloured ones all over the place, but I've never seen gold and silver ones. So yeah, I'm very excited about these. And again, £1.50 a tub, so they are an absolute bargain. Then we have got another glitter. This is called Cinnamon Crunch. It's a multi-mix. We have got large hexes, we have got small hexes, and we've got some fine glitter in there as well. You can see why it's called Cinnamon Crunch. It's very much like a sort of coppery colour with like a slight sort of red tone to it. But it's really nice, and I really do not have anything like this in my collection. I feel like it'd be really nice for autumn. I don't know if I'd use it much throughout the summer, but it's definitely a good one for like autumn time. But this was only 99p for a 5 gram bag again, so I had to. But it's just a really nice metallic glitter. I really like it. Now, I don't buy decals very often, but these ones I just had to. They are simply just squiggly lines. I don't think the white's showing up very well on camera. You can kind of see it there. These like black and white squiggly lines. We've got these thicker ones here, and then we've got the thinner ones. And with these, I just feel like you could do a lot of them. Obviously, they're so versatile. Like, you can add them onto any design. You get quite a lot on there. You can simply just cut out what you need, and you can do many designs with these. But it's only £1.39 for the sheet. And yeah, I feel like these are going to look really, really, really nice on a set of nails. I really, really like them. Then we got some blue holographic glitter called Diana. It's very much like a sapphire blue, that one. It's really, really, really nice. It's a multi-mix again, so we've got large hexes, we've got small hexes, we've got ultra fine glitter, all very, very, very holographic. And one thing I absolutely love about Sparkle Supplies as well is the fact that she double bags everything. All the glitters are always double bagged, which is so handy because you never know if they're going to spill. I have had glitter in the past that spills out, and there's nothing more disappointing than when you open up a package and the bag of glitter you bought has come open and gone absolutely everywhere. So yeah, I really appreciate if actually double wraps them all. But yeah, this is a really beautiful glitter, this one. Really, really, really beautiful. It's one that I could see myself reaching for a fair amount. Yeah, I really, really love that. And again, 99p for a 5g bag. So you can't go wrong. Next up, we have got this one here called Mellow Yellow. I feel like I might actually already have this glitter. I'm going to have to double check. If I have, I will put it in my giveaway box. But obviously I like it enough that I've accidentally bought it again. It's really beautiful. I love these glitter mixes so much. You get the matte glitter in there, and then you also get gold flakes, like little sort of micro flakes. And then you've got like gold dots. And it's a full-on multi-mix. They're so nice. I think she does these in a range of different colours. They're really, really, really beautiful. And very unique as well. I'm absolutely loving matte glitters at the minute. I really, really, really like that one. It's 99p again for the 5g bag. I just love yellow. Absolutely love yellow nails. I think they're gorgeous. Then we've got this one here, which is called Walnut. This is like the same mix as the Diana one. So it's a multi-mix. You've got large hexes, smaller hexes, and ultra fine glitter in there. But it's like this gorgeous walnut sort of brown holographic glitter. Again, absolutely perfect for the autumn because the holographic sort of shifts like reds and oranges. With the brown glitter, it's literally the most perfect glitter for autumn. Again, I don't really think I'll be using it this time of year, but I will probably be using this quite a bit throughout autumn, I'm sure. It's so, so, so nice. And again, 99p for a 5g bag. Okay, and then I feel like you guys are going to absolutely love these. Sparkle Supplies does the most amazing little sort of soft micro shards. These ones are called Under the Sea. You guys ready? Ta-da! The camera's not going to do that justice, I know it, but these are incredible. So they're little micro shards, and they're like dark blue, but they shift sort of turquoisey green. They are so incredibly nice. So, so, so nice. I think I've pretty much got all the shards off the website now, but I love them so much. And I never see ones like this anywhere else. Literally never anywhere else. But I love these so much. These are £1.99 a pot, but like you can see, it's a big ass pot. Like they will last you for ages. But yeah, £1.99 for the whole entire tub. I'm obsessed. I think they're absolutely beautiful. Then next up we have got this glitter called Summer Fling. I can see why it's called that. It's definitely very summery. We have got neon pinks, neon yellow, white, a silver holographic. It's iridescent too. There's a bit of all sorts going on in there. There truly is. It's beautiful. It's really, really, really beautiful. And again, 99p for the whole bag. Yeah, I love these. I'm absolutely obsessed with Sparkle Supplies glitters. They are the nicest glitters ever. They really are. I have so many of her glitters now because I'm obsessed with them all. Yeah, it's definitely one of my new favourites, that one. And then I've got some striping tape. I know most of you hate striping tape, but I actually really do like striping tape. This one is a rose gold. You can kind of see it there. But I've got a lot of striping tape, but I do not have any rose gold. These ones come in a pack of 3, but they're different sizes. So you've got a really thin one, you've sort of got like a slightly thick one, and then a really thick one. But it cost me £1.89 for the 3 pack. And yeah, like I said, I didn't have any rose gold. I might have a rose gold really, really thin one, but I don't have these thicker ones. And I love striping tape. Sometimes a little bit of striping tape can make a whole difference to a set of nails. So I had to grab these. I absolutely love them. And yeah, £1.89 for the 3 is more than reasonable as well. Like, it's a really good price. Because you get a lot on there as well. Like, you can see, like, you know, your striping tape is so thin, and then you get this whole entire roll. Like, you're never going to run out. Literally never going to run out. Yeah, I love striping tape, and yeah, I really love the colour of these. But yeah, £1.89 a pack. And then we have got this glitter, which is like an ultraviolet glitter. Sort of see the shift there. This one's called Tranquil. It's not like an ultra fine, it's more of just a fine glitter. But that ultraviolet shift on it is absolutely incredible. It's so nice. I love glitters like this. But again, 99p for the 5g bag. Love it. And then we have got Frost. The other day I was doing a set of nails. It was my Lilo and Stitch nails that I've just recently posted actually. I was looking for a glitter like this. And like, I was struggling to find any, and I ended up using a clear one, which is absolutely fine because it was on a white base anyway, so it's done the same thing. But I couldn't find just a white sparkly glitter, which is kind of crazy considering how much glitter I had. But yeah, I didn't have no just white glitters, and I had to use a clear for the job. So I figured I better get myself just a nice white glitter. This one sort of has like a slight sort of silvery sort of shift to it, but it's exactly what I was looking for. Again, 99p for a bag. And yeah, I can't believe I didn't have any of this in my collection. I have 2 massive folders full of hundreds of glitters, and I didn't have just a simplistic white glitter. I have a lot of white glitters, but they've all got like different tones to them. Like, I have a white one that has a gold tone, I have the ultraviolet ones, I have multi-mixes of white, but yeah, just simple white I didn't have. So yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing about that. Really pretty. I will use this a lot, I know I will. And then last but certainly not least, we have got this glitter here called Jasmine. This is a UV reactive one, so it looks pink, but when you put it under UV light it sort of looks more purple. It's a multi-mix again. We have got the large hexes, we've got the small hexes, and we've got the fine glitter in there. It's very iridescent, it's very shiny, it's very pretty and pink. I will put an image up on the screen as to how it looks underneath the UV so you can see that. But it is an absolutely stunning glitter. I really like it. Even if it wasn't UV reactive, like, it is just so beautiful. This one's £1.49 for a 5g bag, which is an incredible price. And yeah, I absolutely love it. It's just such a nice colour. It really is such a nice colour. So yeah, made up with that. It seems I'm a stray butterfly. I'm not too sure where he's come from, but he's very pretty. So yeah, that is absolutely everything from my Sparkle Supplies haul today. Like I said, she's got quite a big sale on at the minute. If you want to get yourself some bargains, jump in there as quickly as you can and grab them before they're gone. I do also have a discount code for you, which is in the description box of all of my videos. You can also find it via my Instagram on my link tree, and I will also pop it up on the screen for you. That will get you 15% off of your orders on top of all the sale items as well. So you really are getting yourself a good bargain. But like I said, be quick because it's probably not going to last long. I'm sure the products are going to sell out very quickly. But I hope you have all enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!